Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites so the update won't fail. Make sure your Airtel 5G SIM is active and your handset model supports 5G. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi or a strong 4G LTE signal and charge above 50%. This prevents interruption. Also backup contacts and settings, and note your current APN and firmware version so you can restore if needed. Now open Settings and navigate to System or About to check for available updates. We move immediately to execution. You'll now pull and apply the update. Go to System or About Software Update and check for carrier or OTA packages. Tap Download and let the package finish. If no carrier update appears, change APN to Airtel 5G settings and trigger a manual carrier update or sideload the OTA using official firmware. Follow on-screen prompts carefully. During installation, you may see progress percentages. Do not interrupt. After install completes, reboot the phone, then make sure to verify the 5G indicator and run a quick speed test. To finish, confirm network preferences. Set network mode to 5G/4G/3G, enable VoLTE LTE, and reapply Airtel APN. Run a few calls and data sessions to ensure stability. If 5G doesn't show, reset network settings, power cycle the device, and reset the SIM. This clears cached profiles. If that fails, collect your IMEI, firmware version, and any error messages. Contact Airtel support for a carrier profile push or remote provisioning. One quick tip: toggling Airtel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.